A very good afternoon to respected present, faculty coordinators, faculty members, and students to attend this event organized by Institution Innovation Council. I, Orkul Sengupta, with IIT, would like to warmly welcome you all to attend such didactic and innovative live talk session on Techathon, Toy Hackathon 2021 by Honorable Professor Mr. An, the Chairman of AICTE, and also he is a Professor of Department of Mechanical Engineering, Indian Institute of Technology, Guwahati. We citizens believe that innovation is the ability to see the changes as an opportunity might change anything. Now, I would like to request IIT President Mr. Keshav Jha sir over the session.
Thank you, Arko, and thanks to all who participate in this uh, very important session today. And thanks to computer science HOD Miss Monu ma'am and all our faculties here. You know what? Today's session is all about Atmanirbhar Toys Innovation Challenge. This is one of our MIC driven activity. So I would like to focus the point. What is this Atmanirbhar Toys Innovation Challenge? This Atmanirbhar Toys Innovation Challenge welcomes to you all to participate and create an attractive toy-based game inspired by Indian tradition and culture. Toys and games have always been an enjoyable means of training young child about lives and values in societies. Through this innovation challenge, we will be wish to educate children about Indian culture, heritage, and rituals by immersing them into our cultural richness in a fun and interactive way. This is the time that we utilize the strength of our bright ideas and bring out games based on our Indian culture, tradition, and heritage, and stories of ancient leaves that put into display the beliefs and tradition that exist among communities or people. So I would like to focus what the objective of this Atmanirbhar Toys Innovation Challenge. Our the Honorable Prime Minister in his Man Ki Baat, that is address on 30th of August 2020, mentioned the great potential and opportunity that can be tapped to promote Atmanirbhar Indian toys in order to give a visibility to the indigenous toys manufacturer. My government is honored to launch a national level Atmanirbhar Toys Innovation Challenge. So, to encourage Indians to design toy based games based on Indian tradition, culture, heritage, mythology, stories, and character. So, you all enjoy the session, and now I would like to hand over to the respected Monu ma'am, CS HOD. Ma'am. Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Your mic, can you put, yeah, yeah.
Yes, thank you, Keshav sir, and a very good afternoon to all of you present here. And as the Keshav sir introduced you about a toy hackathon, a toy hackathon is actually a my government innovation challenge, Atmanirbhar Innovation Challenge. It is intended to address so many issues like with the change in lifestyle or deepening of Western influence. We see striking difference between the modern challenges and the children of previous generation and the lack of Indian games. Earlier, the games have been rich in culture and heritage values and were tools to pass on some ancestral knowledge. And they were also suitable for all ages and increase the interaction between the generations. And therefore, the My Government India's Atmanirbhar Toy Challenge is intended to address all these issues. So the eligibility criteria to participate in this challenge is there is no criteria on age. ठीक है? Any candidate of any age group can participate in this challenge, and participation can be done in an individual or in a team. A team can consist of 4 members, and entries should be original and not plagiarized. And the game can be in any of the following fields, like board games, outdoor games, and digital games. And the applications will be evaluated on different parameters, like all the games proposed must have usage of toys or props. And in case of a digital game, the game must include storyline with props or toys inside the game, and the game must reflect Indian culture, tradition, and values. The significance of value proposed can be limited to local or national level. The submission should include a written brief about the game within 500 words, and the applications evaluated on different parameters, like including but not limited to the market need, use of props or toys, novelty of India idea and innovation, storyline of the proposed game, influence of Indian culture or Indian tradition, scalability, potential impact, commercialization capacity. And the top winner in each category will get a reward of rupees 1 lakh each. And the time limit and the last date to submit your idea is 20th Jan 2021. And after that, there is a selection round, then winner announcement will be there. So I request you all, and I would like, being a CS student, you must have to participate in this event. This is a great opportunity for us. And if you require any help, then contact me after the session. Now I would like to hand over the session to the Mr. Keshav. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay, now I'm audible. Okay, I think ma'am already described all the things that are related to this session, Atmanirbhar Innovation Toys Challenge. So, hope you all must participate in this innovation challenge. Okay. Just a second, Anna. I will share you the screen. Just wait, huh? Station is going to live within a second.